Welcome to this mobility meditation for professionals, where in 15 minutes, we're going to open up the body, make some space, and release all tension in the mind. Finding your way into a hero pose, sitting back onto the heels, knees come together, breathing deep into the belly, up into the ribs, then the top of the head. Exhale, sigh it out, everything outside the present moment drifting away. Breathe it in, clearing everything from within and without, by just letting go, sigh it out, allowing this release in the hips, release in the lower legs, everything drifting down with the exhales, curling forward, opening up with the inhales, knowing that this time and space is simply yours to just be present, be here, and slowly settle into this state of stillness and calmness and clarity. Allowing any movement that feels best for you to come into your body whenever it feels right, knowing that this is your practice and that you create how you want to feel and control the thoughts that you think. And that's why we're here. Breathing in deep. Eyes heavy, shoulders heavy, side out. One last big breath here. And then let it go, softly and slowly walking your way through a tabletop pose into a downward facing dog. Walking out the legs, bending into one knee then the other, pressing into the middle fingers and thumbs, opening up through the shoulders, lifting hips high, straightening the legs, inhaling up onto the tippy toes, exhaling down. Moving into a pigeon pose on the right leg, coming forward and through a low lunge, dropping that back leg down and walking the right foot over towards the left wrist, toes pointed towards that knee, breathing in deep to the hips, sitting up tall, keeping that back leg nice and straight, supporting yourself under the hip with the breath, and letting go with each and every exhale, finding this comfortable edge where you can release and relax, drifting down with each and every moment an opportunity to just come into this state of being, feeling, and letting go even further, allowing all the thoughts outside the present moment to just drift on by, allowing each exhale to carry them away as you sink deeper, dive deeper, and let go. A few more big breaths here, sitting up tall while coming into your fullest expression. Soft smile on the face, releasing and letting go of anywhere unnecessarily holding on. Slowly and softly with time, making your way up, taking the weight into your hands, staying into this left hip here. You're going to walk that right up, and if it's in your practice, you're going to move through a splits posture or a half split. If you want to start by sitting back onto that left leg and unflexing those toes, draping over the front foot, or dropping down into your full split, keeping the hips parallel, breathing deep into the belly, calm and long and strong, staying centered in the mind, and allowing that calmness to ripple into the body. Moving through this stage of the posture and coming a little bit deeper to your fullest expression, using the breath to guide you there, finding a state of ease, where you can completely release, breathing deep and letting go. Inhaling long, soft, calm. Exhaling surrender, ease, flow. Feeling these words, ease, calm, flow, surrender, surrender, surrender. Watching and witnessing all the thoughts of the mind and choosing to just watch them, witness them, and let them go. Not holding on, release, and drift. A few more big breaths in, finding your fullest expression. Softly and slowly making your way through, maybe through that pigeon pose or back up into it. Seated hero for a second, big breath in. Let it go. Finding this state of contentness and calmness in the mind. The clarity that arises from simply being here. Continuing as you find your way into a left side pigeon, moving through low lunge, grounding down, and allowing the flexed foot to walk itself over, maybe towards a 90-degree with time, using your support, getting yourself nice and comfortable so you can feel this ease and flow and truly let go, knowing that the muscles are just movers. It's the nervous system and those connections, those impulses, that communication that's doing the holding. So if you put the muscles in a state of stress or strain, they're going to react just like the mind. So if we put it in a state of space, flow, ease, well-being, it's going to be able to respond and release and find that freedom or resistance-free state that's truly all what we're craving. Breathing deep into that hip, thinking about the nerves releasing, thinking about all the fascia and muscles with it, letting go, all starting with that intention within the mind to release tension. Finding a few more big breaths in of calmness and clarity. And then moving into your splits variation, whether that be the half split or full split, using your support underneath the knee, underneath the hip, whatever you need to get extra comfortable. Breathing in deep into the belly, finding length to the top of the head. And exhale, drifting down. Not challenging any of your tissue too much, but finding this state of balance, harmony, a challenge without the opportunity to hurt or harm, because you're tuned in to this awareness and just feeling your clarity each and every breath. Breathing in deep to that left hip, finding your fullest expression, letting go even further, looking inward, watching all the thoughts of the mind and body, how they're flowing together, the relationship between what's being sent to you, what you're receiving, how you're receiving it. One last big breath in. Let it go. And taking a few breaths to slowly make your way out of this posture. Through that hero pose, finding some length and strength. And letting go. Just witnessing and watching the show of sensations within the mind and body. You can inhale, reaching arms wide and high, opening up in the chest, reaching all the way up. Exhale, hands through heart center, dropping them down, moving through any movement that feels best for you, swaying side to side. Inhale, reaching and open. Exhale, drifting. Coming to a nice seated position, crossing your legs or reaching them long out in front of you. Grounding down through the sits bones, sitting up tall. Exhale, relaxing and releasing, moving through a nice big breath in. Let it go. For the count of 3, 2, 1, inhale all the way. For 3, 2, 1, exhale all the way. For 3, 2, 1, inhale all the way. All the way, all the way, all the way. Exhale, softly let everything fold and release. Gently bow forward. Thankful for taking this time, for making this space, for being me and feeling this clarity. Rising up, sitting up tall with confidence and feeling right here, right now, your power and empowerment of being true to this part of you that is naturally whole and complete, always positive, and know that everything is working out, all is well, and every day is getting better and better, especially if you choose to see it. Thank you, thank you, thank you.